Welcome to Qualvision. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to change password on Qualvision NVRs. Stay with us. Enter System. Security page. Under the Account option, select Admin from the list and click the Modify Password icon. Input the old password for admin and click Modify. Enter the new password and confirm it. Click Set the Pattern Lock to reset the graphic password. Draw the lock pattern and confirm it. Thank you for watching. Secure our life through Qualvision.